Head business owners, let me show you how to fix an error that was costing my client more than $1,000. Every time that we get a new client, we request prior year tax returns so we can review it. And I noticed that there was something under other taxes. It was coming from an additional tax called golden parachute payments. Golden parachute payment is when there's a highly compensated individual, for example, a CEO, and they get fired. In their compensation, they have worked out where they'll get at least 6 months of payments due to having to find another job that is pretty hard to find those high-level jobs. But in this situation, my client was a military person and he still had the same job that he had previously. So why is there a golden parachute payment tax on this client? Then the next thing I reviewed was a W-2. In box 14, there's a code K. Box 14 is for informational purposes only, and code K refers to dental and vision plan that the employer paid. But if you were to put code K in box 12, then it triggers the golden parachute tax, because under box 12, code K means golden parachute tax. For just by misclicking the code in the wrong box, it was costing the client more than $1,000, and it was happening year after year. What we're going to do is file an amendment, but we can only go back 3 years to get the money back. This is where it is important that the person doing the tax return is detail-oriented, so that they can review and understand what's going on with the tax return. This accountant obviously did not know what code K was and didn't even bother to look it up and understand what was going on. Follow for more tax advice for business owners.